Hello, design enthusiasts. Welcome back to Interior Decor Designs, the place where we turn your living spaces into masterpieces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. The dining room is more than just a place to eat. It is the heart of the home where memories are made, stories are shared, and guests are welcomed with warmth. Today, we are diving deep into the world of elegant dining room decor. We'll explore how to transform a simple eating area into a sophisticated sanctuary that reflects your personal style and elevates your daily living experience. Whether you prefer a modern edge or a timeless classic look, this guide will provide you with the inspiration and practical tips you need to achieve that high-end aesthetic. Elegant dining room decor is the art of creating a space that feels refined, balanced, and intentional. It isn't necessarily about the price tag of your furniture, but rather the harmony between the elements you choose. At its core, elegance in a dining space means prioritizing quality over quantity. It involves the use of sophisticated color palettes, high-quality materials like marble, fine wood, or velvet, and the strategic placement of lighting to create an inviting atmosphere. An elegant dining room feels curated. Every piece of art, every chair, and every centerpiece serves a purpose in building a cohesive and polished environment. Investing in elegant decor for your dining room offers numerous psychological and social benefits. A well-designed room creates an immediate sense of calm and order, which can significantly improve your mood during mealtime. When a space feels luxurious and thoughtful, it encourages a slow dining experience, allowing you to focus more on your food and your company rather than rushing through a meal. Furthermore, an elegant dining room increases the value of your home and makes you feel more confident when hosting dinner parties or holiday gatherings. It serves as a visual representation of your hospitality, making guests feel honored and comfortable from the moment they sit down. To make your dining room look its best, start by establishing a clear focal point, which is almost always the dining table and the lighting fixture above it. Choose a chandelier or pendant light that makes a statement but remains proportional to the table size. Layering your textures is another professional secret. For example, pair a smooth marble table with soft upholstered chairs or a plush area rug to create visual depth. Don't overlook the wall-setting architectural details like wainscoting, crown molding, or a large-scale mirror can instantly add weight and prestige to the room. Finally, keep the styling intentional by using a few high-quality accessories, such as a sculptural vase with fresh greenery or a set of designer candle holders. Rather than cluttering the space with small trinkets, there are several design philosophies that naturally lend themselves to an elegant aesthetic. The modern minimalist style is perfect for those who love clean lines, neutral tones, and a less is more approach that emphasizes space and light. For a more traditional feel, the neoclassical or French provincial styles offer intricate carvings, gilded accents, and plush fabrics that evoke a sense of royalty. Art Deco is another fantastic choice for those who want glamour, featuring geometric patterns and metallic finishes. If you prefer something more contemporary, the transitional style blends traditional comfort with modern simplicity, resulting in a look that feels both fresh and timeless. Choosing the right style depends on the architectural bones of your home and the specific atmosphere you want to create for your guests. All right, let's get into the inspiration. Here are top 10 best elegant dining room decor ideas to help you visualize your dream space. 1. The monochromatic marble masterpiece. This design features a stunning white marble dining table with unique angular legs, serving as the room's sculptural centerpiece. The neutral palette is enhanced by a large, antique-style mirrored wall that doubles the visual space and reflects the intricate crystal chandelier. The dark carved wooden alcoves on either side provide a deep contrast, housing artistic sculptures that give the room a gallery-like feel. 2. Serene teal sophistication. This room showcases the power of a bold, unified color. The walls and coffered ceiling are drenched in a sophisticated, dusty teal, creating a seamless and cozy atmosphere. A dark wood-polished table reflects the glow of a classic crystal chandelier, while the high-back chairs with striped upholstery add a touch of regalia. The symmetrical placement of floral artwork and wall sconces creates a perfect balance. 3. The modern executive suite, blending mid-century modern elements with traditional wood paneling. This room feels both professional and inviting. The light oak dining table is surrounded by sleek, gray upholstered chairs with dark wood frames. A custom built-in sideboard provides ample storage and display space for a home bar, while the blue Roman shades on the large windows add a pop of cool color against the warm wood tones. 4. The Royal White Palace. For those who love opulence, this all-white and silver theme is the pinnacle of elegance. The furniture features ornate carvings and cabriole legs, characteristic of Rococo design. The dining chairs are upholstered in a luxurious white brocade fabric, and the room is anchored by massive Corinthian columns. A grand crystal chandelier and a matching china cabinet complete this high luxury look. 5. Bright and airy contemporary chic. This design proves that elegance can be light and breezy. A pale wood table is paired with wishbone-inspired chairs, SDH against a backdrop of floor-to-ceiling windows that flood the room with natural light. The black-framed gridded mirror adds an industrial touch, while the modern gold satellite chandelier provides a trendy, artistic focal point that keeps the room feeling youthful and fresh. 6. The Noir Architectural Lounge. This ultra-modern dining room uses vertical wooden slats and integrated LED lighting to create a dramatic, moody environment. The stone-top table is surrounded by minimalist tan chairs, and a large abstract mural serves as a captivating backdrop. The unique falling light chandelier adds a sense of movement and height, making it perfect for a high-rise luxury apartment. 7. Transitional pattern play. This room masterfully mixes textures and patterns. The damask wallpaper in a warm terracotta hue provides a rich backdrop for the teal velvet dining chairs, which add a vibrant splash of color. The white wainscoting and coffered ceiling keep the room feeling structured, while a unique antler-style white chandelier adds an organic, artistic element to the space. 8. The symmetrical slate gallery. Perfect symmetry is the key to this room's elegance. The gray upholstered wall panels are flanked by matching artwork and wall sconces. A long, dark dining table is complemented by a unique horizontal light fixture with glowing glass cups. The use of low-profile benches alongside traditional chairs creates a versatile and modern seating arrangement that feels incredibly high. 9. The Azure Gold Accented Room. This design is a masterclass in using accent colors. Deep navy blue velvet chairs with gold frames pop against the light gray walls and marble floors. A large piece of abstract blue and gold art ties the entire color scheme together. The minimalist rectangular gold chandelier provides a sharp, geometric contrast to the organic shapes in the artwork and the indoor plants. 10. Grand Gilded Ballroom Style. This is the ultimate expression of formal dining luxury. The room features multiple oversized crystal chandeliers that cast a brilliant glow over a glass-top dining table. The chairs are highly ornate, featuring silver and gold, leafing with tufted gray upholstery. This space is designed for grand entertaining, where the decor itself is as much of a conversation piece as the meal being served. Creating an elegant dining room is about more than just following trends. It's about crafting a space that feels special to you and your loved ones. By focusing on quality materials, thoughtful lighting, and a cohesive style, you can turn any dining area into a sophisticated retreat. We hope these 10 ideas have sparked your creativity and given you the confidence to start your own dining room transformation. Remember, the best designs are the ones that make you feel at home. If you enjoyed this tour of elegant dining spaces, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Interior Decor Designs for more home inspiration. Which of the 10 styles was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you plan to bring a touch of elegance into your own home. Click the bell icon so you never miss an update, and